Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming the essentials and taking immediate action. Install Vscode and Powershell 7 if missing, then launch Vscode. Install the Powershell extension, open your project folder and create a new PS1 script. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose the Powershell. Show Session menu to select the interpreter. If scripts are blocked, run PowerShell as admin and set execution policy remote signed. Restart Vscode to ensure the terminal picks up the shell. Next, focus on configuring the editor for a smooth workflow and why it matters. Set the integrated terminal to PowerShell in settings so commands run in context, and make sure your profile loads required modules. Enable Format on Save and the PowerShell extension features for IntelliSense and snippets to reduce errors. Use the Run Script button for quick tests, then set breakpoints, and use the Debug view to step through code. This helps you catch logic mistakes early and iterate faster. To finish, wire up automation and validation so your scripts are ready for use. Add a launch. JSON for repeatable debug sessions, create tasks for linting and testing, and commit changes with Git inside Vscode. Make sure the integrated terminal reflects the selected PowerShell session and that your profile modules are available. If something fails, open the PowerShell extension log and the session menu to confirm the active interpreter. Checking these two places resolves most environment mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.